In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for a key fob for a Mazda 6 sedan. This is not going to be the same fob you have for a Mazda 6 hatchback, so keep that in mind. But this one was used from 2009 to 2018, and it carries a CR 2025 battery. To get in here, we want to turn it over, find the lever, push it down to remove the valet key. Now that we've accessed this area, you can see there's a little groove and indentation right in there, one on each side. And if we take a regular flathead screwdriver, we can just wiggle it into that little indentation and give a twist to create this opening down the side that just loosened it up, and do the same on the other side. Now we've made it easier to just remove this safely without damaging the key, and we're just going to go down one of these openings we've made, twisting, moving down and twisting until it comes right off, nice and clean. Now we can remove this piece of plastic protecting the CR 2025 battery. Go ahead, grab a new one, slide it in just like that, really easy. Make sure this little piece of rubber is actually in its place. Put it on top again, and just pop the back right back in its place. A little bit of pressure, click, and we're done. Put your valet key back in, and you're good to go for your Mazda 6 sedan.